So anyways, that's the job. We'll need you here 40 hours a week. Payday is every Friday. Do you have any more questions for me?
That's okay. I'm actually not interested anymore.
Okay, look, I'll be honest. We're celebrating Halloween at the shop, and I totally forgot about this interview. Nothing can derail a potential new hire faster than a poor first impression. You only get one chance to start them off on the right foot. In this video, let's talk about why onboarding new employees shouldn't be hard. Too often, onboarding is treated as little more than a formality. A tour of the shop, quick hello to a few coworkers, a rundown of the hours and paydays, and directions to the break room. Then they're left to figure out the rest. That kind of approach immediately sends a message that the business doesn't value its people or its culture. A strong onboarding process should set the tone, give new employees confidence, and show them that they're valued. The very first day may be the most important. Do you want them to instantly feel part of the team? Introduce them to ownership or management right away. Walking them around the shop floor and introducing them to coworkers helps break down barriers before they form. Maybe even assign them a buddy so they have an outlet for everyday questions they might hesitate to bring up to a manager. An employee handbook is another important piece of the puzzle. It needs to answer the questions that come up time and again and sets the standard for policies across the board. When all these elements come together, the onboarding process communicates consistency, support, and accountability, each important for your shop's success. Remember though, onboarding doesn't stop after day one. A 30-day check-in helps ensure the new hire is on the right path. Ask how things are going, what challenges they faced, and what resources they may still need. It's also the time to provide feedback and correct small issues before they become habits. Ending that conversation by asking what you can do as a manager reinforces the partnership and means you're there to help, not monitor their every move under a microscope. A comprehensive onboarding process is the foundation for retention. When you invest the time and effort up front, you'll see the payoff in stronger new employees, a stronger shop culture, and improved loyalty. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.